What's up, everybody? This is Sean with Suncoast Films. This is what's left. I'm thinking Hurricane Sally, maybe. Not sure. And I'm going to put the link to the other video when I actually walked through this place where the buildings were standing. And are they going to rebuild? I don't know. I don't know. Seems to me it could have been saved. It's a beautiful oak right here. Look at this. And another look. But what I'm going to show you this back here is this single cross standing still. Go back here and look at it. Looks like maybe an old sign or something right there. It's some metal, twisted metal. Here's the cross. That's all that's left. That's it. That's all that's left. Beautiful oak, man. Look at this. Look at this oak right here. Wow. So anyway, I wanted to show everybody that. I drove by on Davis Highway here, and I was like, oh man, where are all the buildings at? This is a big place. And I kind of regret not walking through all the way, because it said no trespassing. I was filming on the outside. So I'm thinking, you know, if I would have went through the halls or went through the inside, I could have got in trouble. Even though I'm just, I'm carrying a camera, not a can of spray paint. You know what I mean? So, anyway, this is it. Will they rebuild? Who knows? But it was a beautiful building at one time. And I'll put the link to the original video when it was standing still. And crazy. Happy Sunday, everybody. This was once a big, beautiful church. So, big oak tree right there. Take care, everybody.